Hello friends, finally the wait is over. Today I received my new action camera, which is the Osmo Action. So what are the main highlights of this action camera? 4K 60 frames per second, rock steady stabilization, dual screens, which is awesome for vlogging, 4K HDR videos, and slow motion at 240 frames per second at 1080p. The price mentioned is on the box is 28,000, but on an Amazon you can find it between 18,000 to 23,000 depending on offers. So let's start unboxing this. So first is the action camera itself. Which comes in this beautiful casing. So let's keep it aside. और है एक डब्बा और है. इसमें क्या क्या है भाई? So इसमें है, this is the mount. This is a mount. One. Another mount. This is the Type-C cable. This is screw mount, and this is the battery. Case में है, very beautiful case. So this is the battery, 1300 mAh. So these are the things which are inside the box. So this is the action camera, the casing. Let's open it. तो रखते हैं साइड में. This is the action camera, very small. क्वालिटी वाइज काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. सो बैटरी डालते हैं इसमें और करते हैं इसको स्टार्ट. सो बैटरी डाल दी है हमने. लेट्स पावर ऑन द कैमरा. सो फर्स्ट इसका सेटअप करेंगे. इंग्लिश ऑब्वियसली, बाद में करेंगे. क्वालिटी वाइज बहुत ही अच्छी स्क्रीन है इसकी. रिस्पॉन्सिव है. सो ये है 4K 60 FPS, 4K 4:3, 2.7, 1080, all the way up to 240 FPS. So इस साइड आप इसको एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, इसका मैनुअल, आईसो वगैरह, शटर, आईसो. शटर स्पीड मैनुअली एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, व्हाट्स मोर, these are the quick toggles. स्क्रीन स्विच करने के लिए डबल टैप. So this is the basic overview. What is this? Is the quick switch button. So stay tuned guys for the action packed videos of the DJI Osmo Action.